Guys, today on Cooking with Felicia, I'm making my breakfast frittata in a large saucepan. I am melting my butter, oil, and I sprayed some cooking spray on it because it's going to go in the oven and cook for 20 minutes. So I want to make sure my pan is nice and greased. I have the fire on medium, low heat, so I don't burn the margarine. And I'm going to start adding my ingredients. I have some spinach, and I have about a cup and a half of that because I know it's going to melt down really quickly. Wilt down really quickly. I said melt down. Not melt, wilt. Okay, to that I'm going to add some tomatoes, my onion, which is about half of an onion, and my garlic, which is about a couple cloves. So I'm gonna let this cook. And get soft, and I'll be right back with the eggs. Okay, now that my vegetables have gotten soft and my spinach wilted nicely, I'm going to add my eggs. You could add up to 5 to 8 eggs in here, depending on how big you want your frittata to be. I'm doing 5, and I'm hoping it's enough for everybody. And I already seasoned it with salt and pepper. You can season it however you like. I'm doing salt and pepper in mine. So now you just want to make sure that the egg covers pretty much all of your veggies. You can push it around in there. Or the best trick, just to move it in the pan and make sure it gets everywhere. And then you're going to add your cheese. I'm just adding a half a cup of cheese here. This is cheddar. And now it's going to set on the stove until you start seeing the edges kind of set there. And then at that point, once you see it set, you're going to transfer it to the oven to cook for an additional 20 minutes. So hang on, I'll be right back. I'm going to let this sit, and then I'm going to put it in the oven, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, it has set, and now I can put it in the oven. So I can turn off the heat, and it's going to go in the oven for 20 minutes. Make sure you're using an oven-safe pan, too. Okay, guys, I'll be back when. And this is what it looks like when it comes out. And you can use a pizza cutter to cut it up to serve it, and leave it on this. Leave it on your cutting board for presentation. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I make one every Saturday about cooking, entrepreneurship, and success. And I hope that you will want to be a part of my tribe. And as always, it's my wish that I help you be the best you that you can be.